It is one thing to buy a land, but the most interesting one and the most beautiful one to get allocated, to see the property you paid for. Today we are here for allocation. This is Crystal Garden Phase 3, an update to show you the allocation, instant allocation. Remember what I always tell you, that here in Crystal Garden Phase 3, we run an instant allocation. This person made payments for this property 2 weeks ago, and today he's getting allocated in Crystal Garden Phase 3. Look at the environment. That is him over there. All right, we are still going to meet with him to hear from him. All right, so Crystal Garden Phase 3 is the in thing. It has CFO, like I've always told you, and it is situated behind Centenary City, Enugu. So how do you feel today?
Great, excited,
yeah,
fulfilled, and accomplished.
Wow, wow. So what can you say to other investors out there?
Well, they should come around and see things by themselves. This is a reality. Nevertheless, this is a very good investment. I believe I will never regret. I'm not regretting, and wow, it's a very good prospect. Thank you so much, sir. So what do you have to say about Love It Aneke? How was my service to you? So unique. Very shabby and open-minded. Wow. And I thank God for your business. How will I put it? Your business IQ is fantastic. Thank you, sir. You're so how will I put it? You're just unique on your own. You know your onions, so I believe you are good on your business. Thank you, sir. You. So are you going to refer me to any of your friends? Why not? Wow. If not, who else will I refer? I know you, and I'm going to refer to other people. Thank you, sir. Who are most likely interested, because they see that yes, I'm here real. Wow. It's not fake. Thank you, sir. It's not by the roadside. This is real. I'm here on the land. Wow. The plots that I got is there. Wow. So thank you so much, sir. Okay. It's nice meeting you. Also with you. All right, sir. Bye, sir. It's a pleasure. Thank you, sir. Yeah. So you heard from that happy investor, right? You heard from that happy investor. What are you waiting for? To refer Love It Aneke to your friends, to your well-wishers, to your brothers, to your uncles, to your husbands, to your wives. Love It is always available to take you to genuine properties, affordable properties, properties that when you buy, you don't have headache to get your document. You have no problem getting your document. You have no problem getting allocated. Yes, he's very happy because he got allocated today. Yeah, this is the environment, a table land, as you can see, a table land. Wouldn't you want to own 1 or 2 plots here? Come on, you wouldn't want to miss here, right? This place is situated behind Centenary City, Enugu. It has CFO. Remember, I have been showing you CFO properties in the southeast Enugu, Nigeria recently, because that is the most genuine property. And of course, if you are buying anyone that has no CFO, ensure to buy it from a reputable real estate company. This is Crystal Garden Phase 3, and we are here for physical allocation. Yeah, instant allocation. That's what we're on here. This place is measured 500 square meters. Anytime you want to make investment here in the southeast Enugu, Nigeria, remember I am the right person to help you, guide you, tell you what is happening in Enugu, and tell you how to go about it. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do that. Do it like now. Do it immediately. Click on it. Click on that subscribe button. Yes, you are doing it. Click on it. And then turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload any video, you will get to know about it. Especially now that I'm giving you updates on some of our properties here in Enugu, so that you'll be getting the update and the follow-up. Now, this is a wrap-up video of our physical allocation in Crystal Garden Phase 3. Hello, say hello to my viewers. How are you guys doing? Yeah. We had a very fantastic, expedition here at the estate. Yes. And the client that came for physical allocation, he is so happy. Yes, yes, he is. Laden at the bottom of his heart. Yes. So, this is showing. Okay, so you can see it's a very busy area. This is a factory. This is showing, the location and the vicinity of this very lovely ambient. Exactly. So it's very fantastic. Yes. And this is the side attraction. Yes. So why don't you, capitalize on it? Come here and pick up a plot. By December this year,
this water factory will be up and running 110%, and it's a place where you can live almost immediately. So do not delay, do not hesitate about it. Make that purchase today and make her your plot, and you will have us to take at the end of the day. Thank you and have a lovely day.
Wow. So remember our happy clients, right? Okay, but to show you that it is still the allocation ongoing. So this is the road to it, that road where that tricycle is going, and this water factory is very close to Crystal Garden Phase 3, just few minutes drive, a minute drive as a matter of fact, a minute drive. Yes, that is our happy client behind me. All right, so it's to show you that whatever I'm saying here, I'm not lying about it. Crystal Garden Phase 3 has a good prospect. It is not in a bush. It is a place where you buy, you live almost immediately. Remember, I always take you to the place that when you invest in, you'll be happy you did. Look at the environment. I'm just going around to show you the environment of Crystal Garden Phase 3. That is the entrance of the road into Crystal Garden Phase 3. So Crystal Garden Phase 3 is not in a bush. It has prospects. In less than 2 years to come, you will be happy. You will be smiling that Lovett brought you here to buy your property. As soon as there is a price review, I will let you know. Call or WhatsApp me anytime for your real estate investment here in the Southeast Enugu, Nigeria. Call Lovett and Nike on 0803 743 5005. Until I come your way again. Bye for now.